Since January 23, 2023, our system ranks NIO as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.019. In the period the stock had natural movements but currently sit with a loss of -0.83% since we first recommended hold/accumulate. This is an average return of -0.09% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for NIO, our last headline reads, NIO stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold/accumulate after Thursday trading session. The NIO stock price fell by -1.16% on the last day, Thursday, February 2, 2023, from $12.10 to $11.96. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.74% from a day low at $11.81 to a day high of $12.37. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 11.05% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 3 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 68 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $812.66 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $26.41, and the lowest price was $8.38. Right now the price is 54.71%, or $14.45, below 52-week high, and 82.15%, or $55.03, below all-time high January 11, 2021, where the price hit $66.99. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 5.9% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -12.38% and 22.89%. The 12-month trend indicates a -40.40% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -67.13% and -13.43%. This equals a price between $3.93 and $10.35 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Thursday, December 29, 2022, China Renaissance set price target to 10.4. On Tuesday, December 20, 2022, Mizuho set price target to 28. On Monday, November 28, 2022, Jefferies set price target to 11.26. On Monday, November 21, 2022, Deutsche Bank set price target to 21. On Thursday, November 17, 2022, Barclays set price target to 18. From analysts, NIO stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for NIO. The NIO stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $12.09. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $11.28. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, January 27, 2023, and so far it has fallen -5.90%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence-divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 104 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 94 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 88 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $11.68, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $0.560 between high and low, or 4.74%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 6.3%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for NIO. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. NIO currently has a price-earning ratio of -1.89. A negative high price-to-earnings ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even the most established companies experience down periods, which may be due to environmental factors that are out of the company's control. However, companies that consistently show a negative price-to-earnings ratio are not generating sufficient profit and run the risk of bankruptcy. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2022 is expected to be released March 22, 2023. The consensus among the analysts are $0.260. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, NIO meets first resistance at $12.10. If you do not hold NIO shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, NIO finds first level of support at $11.68, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for NIO is buy. Our recommended stop loss is $11.38, minus 4.85%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 4 days ago. Is NIO stock a buy? NIO holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Friday 3rd, we expect NIO to open up $0.0867 and start trading at $12.05. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to